Today I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can make 10k a month with dropshipping. I know a lot of you are eager to get started, and trust me, I'm going to make it as simple as possible. This method is going to save you time and get you results quicker than you think. However, just because I'm showing you a fast way, that doesn't mean it's easy. You still need to put in the work. But if you follow these steps, you'll definitely be on the right path. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm dropping some game-changing tips. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do when dropshipping is finding your winning product. Without a winning product, none of this will matter. The truth is, people waste months trying to sell products that don't work. But how do you find a product that actually sells? Well, I've been in the game long enough to understand that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You need to find products that are already selling and replicate the ones that are doing well. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to find products that are trending. You can use TikTok to find what products are blowing up right now. Find videos with a lot of views. This is proof that the product is getting attention. Next, check the comments. Look for things like "I need this" or "Where can I buy this?" These comments are social proof that people are interested in buying the product. This is how you can start narrowing down your winning product options. Now, if you're looking at paid options, which will obviously help you find your winning product so much quicker, I'd recommend to use Shop Hunter, which is an ad spy tool. The link for that is in the description below. This will help you find your winning products in seconds by finding other dropshipping stores who are getting success with those products. So now that you've found your winning product, it's time to find a reliable supplier. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, once you've chosen your supplier, it's time to build your store. And you don't need to overcomplicate your store design. Keep it simple and easy to navigate. Your store should look professional but also be user friendly. And when you're designing your store, look at other successful stores for inspiration. Check out what products they're selling and pay attention to their design and layout. Take the best elements and make them your own. And don't forget, your product pages need to be high quality. High quality images and a video are a must. And a great way to improve your product pages is by adding GIFs. GIFs are a game changer. They show how your products work in a dynamic and engaging way. Trust me, adding a GIF to your product page will increase your conversions massively. And the fastest way to set this up is by using paid themes. And the best thing is, with these paid themes, they will have placeholders for everything. This way you just essentially need to replace the placeholders, and you can get your website completed in less than an hour. Now finally, once your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic. This is also where a lot of people go wrong. You can literally have the best product and the best store, but if no one sees it, you are not going to make any sales. You need to focus on getting traffic onto your website, and the fastest and most effective way to do this is through paid ads. And I'm talking about Facebook ads or TikTok ads. But here's the thing, you need to know what you're doing when it comes to ads. You can't just throw money on ads and hope they work. You need to test different ad creatives, targeting, and strategies to see what works best. Start with a small budget, maybe $20 to $30 a day, and test multiple ads. Once you find an ad that's working, scale it up. But if you don't want to pay for ads, you should then be using organic traffic sources. And TikTok is an amazing platform to get free traffic. Create viral content around your products and post consistently. Even if you don't have a huge following, your videos can still blow up. The key is creating engaging content that people want to watch, like, and share. Now you can do this by copying the framework of videos that have already gone viral. You can also partner with influencers to help promote your products. The way to do this is by looking for influencers in your niche and offer them a commission for every sale they generate. Influencers have a built-in audience, and if they promote your product, you'll get exposure fast. The other reason why influencers also work well is because they've already gained trust with a large audience, which means that once they promote your product, it's much more likely to convert. So now, once you start gaining traffic, it's time to focus on conversions. Having traffic is one thing, but turning that traffic into sales is a different ballgame. One of the best ways to increase conversion rate is by having a solid email marketing strategy. Email marketing allows you to nurture leads and bring them back to your store to make a purchase. Offer discounts, promotions, and exclusive deals to get people to buy. You can also create an abandoned cart sequence to bring back customers who almost bought the product but didn't complete the checkout process. These little strategies can make a big difference to your overall sales. And lastly, don't forget about scaling. Once you're seeing consistent sales, it's time to scale your business. Look for new winning products, test new ads, and optimize your store. Scaling doesn't happen overnight, but with the right systems in place, you can easily hit 10k a month and beyond. Trust me, you just need to put in the work and you will get there. Remember, dropshipping isn't easy, and although a lot of people on YouTube make it look easy, it's something that will require a lot of hard work. So if you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business, or you are looking to start dropshipping for the first time, then make sure you join my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. It's completely free to join for a limited time only. So make sure you join by clicking my link in the description. Now, I've made over $4,000 in only 48 hours, so if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click the video you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.